Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and just a quick video today explaining the JavaScript event object. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now and you've seen things like function in the past and you're not too sure what that means or does, you definitely want to stick around and watch today's video because this thing is crucial to your JavaScript development. Okay, now basically this is an object containing information about the event which has just occurred. So typically you're going to find them on things like add event listener, and in this case here I'm using a click event. Okay, so I'm just going to console.log the value of and we're going to see exactly what it contains. So if I save this here, go inside the browser and I click on the button, in the console we get this mouse event object. Okay, so this contains many different properties, detailing information about the event which has just occurred. So for example, we've got this control key property which says false. If I was holding down the control key on my keyboard while clicking on this button, this would then be true. The same goes for the alt key, okay, as well as the shift key right down here. We've also got things like the target, meaning basically the button that was pressed, as well as the X and Y coordinates of the cursor when I clicked on the button. So there are many different properties inside here you can definitely take advantage of in your own code. So how do we access these properties? Very straightforward. If I go back inside my text editor, I can just simply say something like if e.control key. So basically just checking if the control key is set to true. So if I was holding down the control key, I can just say console.log control key was pressed while clicking. Okay, so now if I save this, go back inside the browser and I hold control while clicking on the button, we get this message right here. Also keep in mind that there are many different event types in JavaScript. Okay, so if we go to the documentation for events on MDN, I'll leave a link to this below. We can see that we have all of these events available to us. Okay, so the mouse event is probably one of the most popular because it relates to clicking and mouse down, mouse up, etc. But we can see here there are many more available to us. Okay, so all I'm saying is when you are investigating a new area, I recommend you console.log your event object just to see what information you have available to you, because there's definitely a lot of useful stuff in that object which you might want to use for your applications or websites. Okay, so that is the event object in JavaScript. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.